Should I invest in my RRSPs or TFSA? And what is the difference between the two, and how do I know which one I should be using? Welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is Michelle from the Sassy Investor, your go-to channel for everything to do with personal finances, investing, and money mindset. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications for weekly videos like this one. In today's video, we are going to be going through what TFSAs and RRSPs are, what the difference between those two are, when you should be investing in them, and lastly, a sassy tip at the end. So be sure to watch the full video, because this is a mistake that a lot of people make and it can actually cost you thousands of dollars. First off, what are TFSAs and RRSPs? Well, TFSAs and RRSPs are both registered investment accounts in Canada. TFSA stands for Tax-Free Savings Account, and RRSP stands for Registered Retirement Savings Plan. Registered just means there's some form of tax benefit provided by the government. In both the TFSA and RRSPs, these accounts allow your investments to grow tax-free. That's right, all your capital gains, interest income, dividends that are earned in these accounts are pretty much tax-free for the most part. There are some tax consequences on foreign investments, but we'll get to that in another video. For now, just know that in both of these accounts, you are allowed to grow your investments on a tax-free basis. Now, here's where the difference lies between both of these accounts. When you withdraw money from your RRSPs, that is when you are taxed, and you are taxed at your personal tax rate. But RRSPs are tax deductible. So when you put money into your RRSPs, you're actually reducing your overall tax bill. That means you just might get a refund from the government because you paid more than enough taxes for the year. Yay! When you retire and start drawing money down from your RRSPs, you are presumably in a much lower tax bracket compared to when you were working, because when you retire, you'll have no employment income. Basically, your taxes are paid later. RRSPs are a tax-deferred plan. So save your RRSP contributions for when you were earning a highish salary, say at least around $60,000 a year. With a TFSA, when you withdraw money from that account, you're actually not taxed on that. It's all tax-free, and that's because you're using after-tax dollars to contribute to this account. That is, you get paid by your employer, you pay taxes already, and then whatever's left for your personal expenses, your savings, and your investments, this is where the money will come from. Your goal in life is to max out your TFSA, regardless of how much income you earn. TFSAs are a level playing field for everyone, regardless of how rich or poor you are. And that's because there is a limit to how much you can put into your TFSA. Including this year, that's 2021, you are allowed to contribute up to $75,500 in your TFSA. So once you've maxed out your TFSA, you can contribute roughly $6,000 per year, depending on what the government announces. This way, the super rich can't just dump their millions of dollars and let it grow tax-free and withdraw from it tax-free. That's why there are limits. So just to recap, RRSPs are tax-deferred, which means when you withdraw money from it, that's when you get taxed. Whereas TFSAs, you're using your after-tax dollars to contribute to that account, and when you withdraw from it, it's tax-free. And lastly, as a sassy tip, make sure you actually invest after you put money into these accounts. Just because they both have the word savings in it, it doesn't mean you're automatically earning interest. A mistake a lot of people make is thinking that when they put money into these accounts, they're automatically earning something. No, that's not how they work. You have to put the money to work yourself, or tell someone to put the money to work. That is, you tell someone like a financial advisor to invest the money for you. Remember, you have to invest it in something for it to grow. Because that's like saying you bought a gym pass and you go to the gym and you literally just sit in the change room. Just because you're sitting inside a gym, it does not mean you are getting fit. You actually have to put in the work, burn calories, so your body can change. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you later.